What is up, everybody? This is Josh with Lead and Iron coming to you with this video. I just kind of wanted to show you how to put on a tempered glass screen protector. I just kind of wanted to show you how I go ahead and put it on and what I look for when I buy like a kit, just like this one. Got that from Amazon. And first I make sure the phone is clean, and then we're gonna, like, free of smudges and stuff. I put it on a microfiber cloth. And this kit's kind of cool because it does come with pretty much everything you need. Even stickers. But the best part is it comes with this that goes over your phone, and you just put it on and you're done. Also came with these camera bump protectors, but I don't think I'm going to use those. This kit did come with 3 press and slides. 2 has the install kit, which is going to be like an alcohol wipe, then the dust remover, and then the microfiber cloth. I just have my own, so that's what this little kit comes in for. And on here is your screen protectors. They already have one installed onto the actual kit when it comes in, and then 2 more. I'm guessing if something happens to it or you kind of mess up that first one, because I've done that before too. I'm pretty sure you guys have too. So gives you really easy instructions. It says remove tab, and then you put this on, put it on, press and slide, wait for it to settle, and you take it off. Because before you had to try to line up the hole and everything was a mess. So now I'm going to get into this kit. We're going to clean and make sure there's no stuff on my screen. Normally I do this the very first time I open my phone, but I kind of wanted to get a feel for the ceramic because I haven't experienced it since I didn't get the 12 Pro Max. So, dust absorber, alcohol swab, and then microfiber cloth. I'll just leave in there for now. The microfiber will go second, so we'll clean it off with alcohol, microfiber it, and then dust. We'll pick those up. So, let's go. And off with some alcohol, get all that. I don't want to say grime and stuff, but we have oils on our hands and stuff. Get rid of all that. Get this microfiber cloth out. Clean it off. So, I just want to make sure it's dry. But it did seem to leave a lot of alcohol on there. So I'll go over it just a little bit more. Looks dry. I want to make sure. I don't want to get no fingerprints or anything else on it right now. Just clean it off. So, alright. Now we're going to get this dust absorber going. Alright, that's just a sticker, like it takes. And now we're just going to remove this, like so. Real easy. And this goes down. Like that. Just wait 10 seconds. I'll wait. Then I'll peel it. And there it is. Simple. Really easy. Screen protector's on. Looks like it's put on perfectly. As you can see. Yeah, that was easy. It doesn't get much more simple than that, guys. Thumbs up if you found this useful in any way. And don't forget to enter our giveaway by just subscribing and commenting on one of our videos. We're giving away a condenser mic. So there is a video on it. Check it out. I'll see if I can just list it in the description below. And yeah, I'm happy. That was easy. That was way easy. It was easier than I've ever put a screen protector on. Thank you guys for watching. Go subscribe. Hit the like button and just comment and say, hey, what's up? We'll enter you on our drawing. So once we hit 50 subscribers, we will do a random drawing and hopefully you guys win. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. My back hurts and I gotta go.